Jephthah, come be our lead fighter. We need a warrior like you to help us fight against the Ammonites.
Aren't you the ones who hated me and kicked me out of the house onto the street? Why do you come to me now when you're in trouble?
We're your brothers. You must help us. Yes, we kicked you out of the house because you don't have the same mother as us, but we have the same father. I hate to admit this, but we need you.
Tell you what, Jeppy boy. If you lead us in battle and defeat the Ammonites, we will make you the ruler over all of us. We will make you the big boss.
Let me get this straight. If I come with you and if God helps me beat the Ammonites, will you really make me ruler over all the people? For real? No lie?
The Lord is our witness.
We promise to do whatever you say.
Yeah, Jeppy. We promise. We swear it. All of us.
All right. I will help you. I will fight those Ammonites.
Come along with us now and we will make you ruler and lead fighter. You go get your fighters and we'll go to war.